Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Matrix.
What does the dictionary say?
Something that constitutes the place or point from which something else originates, takes form, or develops.
Math rap.
Not the old Matrix movies with Keanu Reeves, but the plural of matrix is matrices. It's an array of numbers needed to start before they can be added, subtracted, multiplied, or more.
Math rap.
What famous seas did the famous pirate Captain Matrix roam? The matrices. Explain matrix in your own words. What are your thoughts on matrices? To get the idea, take 5 dice, roll them, and then use the matrix of those numbers to add them all together. Try it again. The different matrices will cause a wide variety of final solutions or sums. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!